Hello guys, I'm back. Been doing a lot of stuff, going here, going there, going here, jogging, cleaning the house, uh, cleaning here, delivery, rent house, and so on. No, anyway, I'm here to invite you guys. We have a free webinar on April 2 on page optimization. Uh, you know, I know you heard of that before, but right now, let me lay it out to you as simple as I could, no? It's about, you've heard of it, but ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin nun? It's just being Google searchable, diba? That's it. And then you are having a good search, being number one on Google as in number one page, diba? Um, we're going to have Edison Victorino, our e-commerce 102 primary host for our online learning, and he is also the e-commerce 102 principal for Fast Track 3, and therefore he's handling this online learning for us, and he's giving it for free. My goodness, no? How generous that person is. And we have a very special guest, Mr. J. Castillo of foreclosurephilippines.com, no? If there is a guy who really tops Google, no? Who really have a massive traffic, it's him, no? His website is now ranked 94 on Alexa, and he will be sharing tips how to rank high, on Google search. And it's not IT, it's e-commerce practice. It's because it's search engine optimization. At this time, on April 2, it's on-page optimization, no? On-page, teka, hindi ko kayo ipaliwanag yan. I'm an e-commerce practitioner. Sometimes I hire people for SEO. But maganda rin, no? As an entrepreneur, we understand these things, di ba? And maganda rin as an SEO practitioner, you also understand the e-commerce of it, di ba? Not just ranking one on Google. It's useless even if you are searchable and you do not convert into sales for your e-commerce sites, either by selling products or services, then it's useless, di ba? So, I play the role of converting into sales. So, April 2 po, the webinar link will be available at ecommerce102.com or on e-commerce 102, no, on Facebook, e-commerce 102 or on ecom102.com. So, sounds pare-pareho, no? Ako rin nalilito dyan, pero it is where you can find the link to be part of that April 2 free webinar for Google search. It's important that you get the 40%, no? More or less. Now, if you rank 1 on Google, then you are number 1 page. It doesn't mean that you are number 1 for business now. Don't claim that you are number 1 among. It's just that you are on page 1 on Google, and it means that you have 40% tendency, to be exposed to the bulk, of people who are searching on Google. For whatever reason, we will discuss about that. Mahirap magrunong-runungan. We have two experts, Jay Castillo and Edison Victorino for that, okay? On April 19, Fast Track 3 is still open for registration. This is an 7 to 9 session course. Actually, hanggang 11 yan with the support group, no? It's building business from ground zero. And then, at the end of the course, ang maganda niyan, may negosyo na kayo online. Sure ako. It is not just learning, it is not just workshop, it is also structuring and building. Diba? And we're going to have case studies that you're gonna use to learn e-commerce, no? We have a group of people that is supporting Fast Track 3. We have recommended individuals who have finished the course already and who's doing very well. In fact, mga celebrity na kasi nagigis na sa TV, ang galing-galing ng mga yon. I'm so happy, I pray for good people to enroll again to us. And Fast Track 3 on April 19, it's still open, and the enrollment is now ongoing for 8,888 lang po yun. Napakamura nun kasi there are some who offer the same course, pero may pagka-different lang. But in our case kasi there's a difference in our course, but some course cost like 45,000 or 15,000 pinaka-minimum, no? In our case, 888 lang po. Fast Track 3, no? Highly recommendable. I'm very confident with that course. We are in batch 3 na po. Okay, so with that, it's important that we give value to our participants. And promise po guys, hindi sayang ang participation fee ninyo or an investment nyo sa learning. Kasi hindi lang po learning ito, it is also building businesses online. So, with complete linked up with the right people and the right facility and the right network, no? So, you also learn online marketing, mga strategies na ginagamit din namin mismo sa aming sarili naming mga negosyo. Kaya nga, sa April 2, namimigay na agad kami ng learning, no? Kasi doon naman sa walang time or for whatever reason could not attend or could not participate sa Fast Track 3, at least po ang e-commerce 102 is giving to you free webinar on April 2. So, don't miss that chance guys, kasi hindi naman palaging Jay Castillo can give us that online learning, no? The webinar na yan. So, Mr. Jay Castillo is one of my good friend. Since PayPal 101, e-commerce 102, we have been very supportive with us. So, it's time to make him available online para dun sa mga kababayan abroad, sa mga tao outside Metro Manila na hindi makakarating sa mga events namin. I'm giving you Jay Castillo, no? I'm inviting you for his live session online, no? And it's free. Oh my God! Thank you sa mababait na sponsor ng e-commerce 102.